Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. The most basic way to check to see who unfollowed you on Instagram is to do it manually by staying on top of your exact follower count and specific users. This, however, can be quite time-consuming and impractical. Instagram has really cracked down on its API for privacy reasons, meaning that the third-party Unfollowers app developers are far more limited in how they are able to access users' followers. For this tutorial, we'll be using Followers Pro. That is a free third-party application to help us as much as possible. This app functions as a simple follower/following tracker with a clean and intuitive interface. Simply download the app, log in with your Instagram credentials, and if asked, grant permission for the app. Now you will have access to various lists including lost followers, people who are not following you back, and those who you are not following back yourself. This app is updated very regularly, often multiple times per month, which is a good sign because it's more likely to function properly as it integrates with the Instagram application. How many followers do you have on Instagram? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.